With the Oz remote smart blinds, you need to pair the remote with the smart blind motor. To do so, you must turn on the smart blind motor via the slide button underneath. It will beep to confirm that it's now on. You must now press the button through this small hole using the pin provided in the pack. Once you press this pin, you must press one of the buttons on the remote within 3 seconds, like so. That long beep confirms that now the remote is paired with the smart blind motor. With the Oz Wi-Fi smart blinds, you now need to connect it to the Tuya Smart app. So once you've downloaded the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store, go to the Tuya Smart app and open. Then go to the top right hand corner here and hit the plus to add a new device. Go down to Small Home Appliance and scroll down until you see the option for curtain. Once you've got curtain, then you can confirm. Type in your Wi-Fi name and the password, and also ensure that you're connected to that router and you're on the 2.4 gigahertz, not the 5 gigahertz on your Wi-Fi router. Once you've done that, please confirm. And now the blind motor will automatically connect with the app. Now you have the device, you can call it something that's convenient to you, maybe the area that it's located in, and hit the done. Now you can see the blinds inside the Tuya Smart app. Now you have the smart blind motor mounted. We need to set the distance which is open and which is closed. So when the smart blind's running, it will run to the open position or to the closed position. To do that, have your blinds originally in the closed position. Hold the stop button for 5 seconds till you hear the beep. Now press the open button until the blinds are fully open. Once your blinds are fully open, press the stop button once more, and the 2 beeps now confirms that the reference run is complete. Now every time you operate the blinds, it will stop at them 2 locations that we just set. With the Oz remote smart blinds, if the direction of the chain is not satisfactory, i.e. it's going down when it should be going up, you can change the direction of the motor by pressing the button in this hole and then pressing it again. Now the motor will run in the opposite direction.